Today, everybody says credit is king. And I know that can be truthful because we are always talking about somebody's credit score, somebody's FICO score, what does your credit look like, getting your information from the credit bureaus, etc., etc., etc. It depends on what your credit score is when you are going to purchase a home, when you're going to try to get a loan for your business. Sometimes even when you're trying to get a job, they want to know, what does your credit look like? So in order to get you started, I have a credit checklist which you can download today. I'll put the link in the description box. And what you can do is use this credit checklist to make sure that every credit bureau has the correct information for you on your credit report. So that's Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They will have your credit report. You will request your credit report from each of them. I will put the link to that video to teach you how to do that and get those 3 for free down in the description box and also up here somewhere. But that will help you on your road when you're trying to fix your credit. Once you get your credit reports, then you want to use my credit checklist, and you're going to use that credit checklist to go through each one of your credit reports and make sure that they are doing things the way they're supposed to do. Make sure that everything is being reported correctly on your credit reports. If they're not, you will use that checklist and you will know exactly what you need to do to write letters or to dispute or whatever it is that you need to do to fix your credit. But you want to start by requesting your credit report. So go ahead and watch this video right here to start requesting your credit reports for free, and then download that credit checklist to help you review those credit reports.